Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'll talk about IT employee salary, current salary trend that I observed in India basically. Often we observe lot of video over YouTube that there are people who is basically showing their payslip. They are from bank or they are from other government sectors. They show their salary slip in order to motivate other aspirant, but here my intention is slightly different. People are from college, they are pursuing their engineering, or they are just working as a freshers. They don't have much exposure to senior people salary, so you will get a overall idea. The reason behind, in during people are in college, or during they just join in IT with 6 month experience, 1 year experience. Some of them got frustrated and because of the low salary definitely, and sometimes the work pressure is pretty high, so they usually change the course. So they usually join bank or any other government sectors, because they don't see a huge, or even they went for higher studies, mtech, ms or mbas, because they don't see a direct growth, or there is no upcoming growth for them. So possibly, with the example of these four kind of salary that I will be showing, like 0 years like freshers, 5 years, 8 years experience, and 10 years of experience. These four kind of salary I'll show you, and so that you can get an idea. And now, I mean, if I'm talking about this salary, these salaries are for service based industry. Here I'm not considering product based companies or startups, and I'm also not considering the city of Bangalore or Pune. So Bangalore, Pune, the salary would be 20 to 30% or sometimes more than 50% higher than what I'm showing here, at least not for lateral entries, but from 5 year onwards. If you are considering Bangalore or Pune, maybe you'll get more than 50% whatever I'm showing. But I'm showing for the rest of the countries, like rest of the states, like it includes Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and lot of other state apart from Bangalore and Pune, where salary is pretty high. Now, and also, like, this is for like a person who is coming from tier 3 colleges, not from tier 1 and tier 2. I'm not considering that as well. So let us begin with the fresher salary. So fresher salary would be okay. So one more thing, this is not my payslip. I have collected this payslip, so there is no intention to show up or something. This is just for educational and informational purpose. You use that and to decide, like, if you are a freshers or if you are a college goer, just decide whether you want to stay in the IT or you want to pursue to your other dream. So for that reason, I'm creating this video. So there is no other intention behind this. But stick to the video. At 10 years and 8 years, you'll get to see some drastical changes. So first, begin with this freshers payslip. So here you can see the basic amount is 11,600, and HR is 5,800, and all the other allowances is there. There is no tax. That is a good thing because salary is pretty low. So in hand, gross earning is 34,000, and he is making in hand at 33,000, which is slightly low still these days, because people are working in government sector. They are starting their salary would be somewhere between 40 to 80,000, 40 to 70,000, I believe. So here the starting package is low, and that is the major reason for there are a lot of student, a lot of candidate, they are trying out for MBA, MS, or even government sector. So that is fresher salary. It might be differ for company to company. So maybe five plus minus 5,000 you can consider, if you are considering some other company. Here I'm talking about TCS, Accenture, Wipro, Cognizant, this kind of tech M, this kind of company. Now I'll go to the 5 years experience guy. So this is the salary of payslip of a 5 years experience guy, where he's earning 92,000, and deduction is 4,000. So 88,000 somehow he's earning. Not very bad, not very good, but still is a good pay. So basic salary is 34,000, HRA is 50, slightly higher than 50%, medical allowance is zero, everything is else is zero, or everything is coming to the special allowances. Here also tax is zero, so possibly here he has utilized his tax in a good way, so there is no deduction. So 90,000 close to 90,000, 5 years experience. Now you can see the shift basically. We'll go to 5 to 8 years. Now this is the 8 years guy salary. He's earning 1.5 lakh rupees, which is I mean, kind of a decent pay. where the basic pay is 64,000, which is a good one, and additional allowances, bonus, group allowances, HRA, and everything else you can see it is getting 1.5 lakhs, and there are some deduction. So I mean, do not consider 78,000 as higher deduction, because this guy is intelligent and he is using his all basic in a VPF. But these days, like, this is dangerous, because you might need to pay some tax if your VPF employee contribution is higher than 2.5 lakhs. So make sure that it is not go beyond that 2.5 lakhs. But here he is contributing everything is VPF, so 78,000 is a deduction. So he's if we are not considering that VPF, possibly is making 1.3 lakhs in 8 years. Now I'll go for a guy who is with 10 years of experience. This is a 10 years of experience guy. Now do not go to the total earning, because it is high, as because it associated with a variable pay, approximate 5% or 6%. So let us not consider the variable pay. But if you see, the basic salary is 95,000, HR is 47,000, statutory bonus, special allowance is 76,000, emergency internet allowances is 500 rupees. And if you see his deduction, like PF 11,000, VPF is 9,000, that is a very good idea, because he's spending 20,000 to 2, so approximate 2.4 lakh will be invested to EPF, which is a great thing, because then he will not be charged for tax. So he will be not okay. Now income tax is 78,000. So this is because of the variable pay. So possibly it will be 20 to 30,000, but due to this variable pay amount, that it has increased. And insurance premium, I believe it's not for every month, so maybe 3 months or 1 month maybe. So deduction is 1.27 lakhs, so ideally it should be less. So if I consider the actual amount, it should be somewhere between 1.8 lakhs. So a guy with 10 years experience in India, apart from Bangalore, I'm again telling it's not for Bangalore, other than Bangalore, possibly earning close to 1.8 plus minus 20, you can see 2 maybe, or 1.6. There are some, instance where people are earning too much, higher, but that is not for the service based companies or big four. So like in US companies or Indian MNCs, the salary is pretty much same. For some cases, some niche technology, it might be slightly higher, 10 20,000 additional. Some not so popular technology, it might be slightly less, but this is the average one. So this is all about this video. I think you got a high level idea, at least how much you can make if you are in IT. Nobody knows what will happen in next 10 years, but still, like, this is a trend I have shown, 0 to 5 and 8 and 10 years. And let me know in your comment below if you have any question regarding this video.